Hi, in today's video I would like to show you what kind of seeds I can still sow in my garden in the first week of September. So today I'm gonna sow some vegetables from the Brassica plant family right next to this bed next to me. So in this bed we had green beans in the summertime, and we had some leaf vegetables in the springtime. So this is going to be the third planting of the season in this bed, which shows that in a biointensive small garden you can grow lots of vegetables in a very small space. So today what I'm going to sow are different leaf and root vegetables from the Brassica family. So what I have here is a salad rocket or arugula, and I have oriental mix, which is oriental salad mix. We like to eat it raw in salads, and we also cook with them some Asian dishes. So the oriental salad mix contains different Asian leaf vegetables like pak choi, tat soy, and different kind of mustards. So it's a great mixture of Asian leaf vegetables. And I have some kind of root vegetables. I have three different kinds of radishes. First is a French breakfast, which is one of our favorites. And we have one violet. It's called Malaga violet. So it's a great variety, also great taste. And we have Sherry Bell, which is a normal red radish. We like that a lot as well. And what I also have here, what I'm gonna sow now, is Tokyo Cross turnip, and that's also a great crop from the same plant family. It's a white turnip. It's called salad turnip as well, so you can eat it raw or you can cook with it as well. So it's a great crop. So these are going to be the seeds I'm gonna sow today, and I can still harvest them before the first frost, probably around in 6 weeks. So if you are thinking about what kind of vegetables you can still grow in your garden in late fall, which you can sow in early September, these are great examples for that. And now I'm gonna sow the seeds, and after that I'm gonna use an insect net to cover it up. The seeding is done and I watered the bed, and as you can see I also covered it with an insect net. So we are in September, but still the flea beetles are active, and the main pest for the Brassica plants are the flea beetles. So to keep them away I need to cover my plants with an insect net. And it has a dual purpose right now, because it also keeps the moisture in a very good level with the soil. So my seeds are going to be germinating in a really good success rate, hopefully. So we are done with the seeding, and right now I just need to wait a few days or maybe a week for the seeds to germinate, and we can still harvest these nice vegetables in the fall time. So I hope you like this video, and if you would like to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and I will see you in the next video.